Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing subwaysurf. I'm just joking. I'm not gay. Okay. Say what you want, but you know I'm playing like. Ooh, that's a nice hoverboard she got right there. Well, he got a spider, or that's a cockroach, or how can a cockroach have an? That's just so stupid. So dumb. That's just so dumb. Just give me a sec. There we go. I'm back. Let me get set up first. There we go. Ooh. Sky. Later on, we're gonna be playing some of my favorite songs. It doesn't matter if they're girl songs. I'm still gonna like them. Nobody's gonna change me because I like what I like. Man, nobody can stop me this. Say what you want, but you know what I'm saying, like. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Ooh. You guys should see what I'm wearing, bro. This is so funny as heck. I'm lazy as hell. I still got 26 left of skateboards or whatever this is for snow, I think it is. Dude, I am tired. Tell me, what are you guys gonna do for your weekend? My favorite rapper is Justin. I'm joking. Justin is a beefer because he is a beefer. He is a beefer, not Justin. He's not a Justin, man. He doesn't even wear Justins. Dumbass. He thinks he's Justin Bieber, but he's not, bro. His ass don't even. Man, his ass doesn't even wear freaking beefers, Justins. His booty ass doesn't even wear beefers. I mean, what the hell? Why am I saying beefers? His ass can't even afford some Justins, man. He doesn't even wear Justins. If you guys don't know what's Justins, they are the best shoes you can ever get. They're not that expensive, but I'm thinking of to buy one for my bro. Oh, that key that I just got, I'm getting it if I die. If I die. Ooh. Why the heck am I saying ooh? For no fucking reason, man. For no fucking reason. I'm joking. Dude, this lit. I don't even know how many minutes have I gone? Like 4 minutes already, man. That shit. Man. Say what you want, but you know what I'm saying, like. Hype. Here, we're gonna talk about me a little bit, man. I was born on January 1st. I'm a New Year's baby, man. I was born on January 1st. On the first month, I was born at 12 o'clock when all the fireworks just started popping around. You know how each year they just blow up, what's the name? Each year they just blow some fireworks when it's 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year. Yeah, that's what they do. Yeah, that's what they did when I was born, man. The doctor said that he pulled my head out first. And that's when all the fireworks started going, man. I never believed that crap, man. And if you guys are subscribed to Vicky Head or something like that, if you guys are subscribed to her, describe for her. She's the worst YouTuber. She's the worst singer. She's like ching chong, ching chong, ching chong. I ain't no cap. And she thinks she's black. She says she even sings Spanish, man. What the hell? Who says this? Who says that she's black and she sings Mexican, dude? Like what the f is wrong with her? What the f is? Oh, you need 2 more keys. Buy 40 for. Ooh, I got this. Oh, double up. Of course I'm gonna double up, man. And I'm gonna make a quick pause so you guys don't get bored. We're back, guys. I don't want this. And I got 2 million coins in my pocket. Look how much money I got. I'm saving up money for... Am I getting coins? Okay, then. I'm saving money up for this dude right here. And my game crashed. Guys, have a nice day. I am tired. Goodbye, guys. Have a beautiful night. Yeah, have a beautiful night.